Hey guys, this is Ibtihaz from HiFi Public. Welcome to another one of our unboxing videos. And today we are unboxing the RealMe 2 Pro. So I'm gonna cut to the chase and get right to it. Let's open this up. We have the SIM toolkit here. Looks like something's in there. Free case and some instruction manuals which we'll all ignore. Keep the case here, it looks neat. Also the SIM toolkit right here too. Get the phone. It's a pretty nice sleek phone. Glossy finish, we all like that. And less prone to smudges. That's good. We got the charging adapter here. And it says Oppo. And if you don't know, RealMe is an offshoot company of Oppo. I'll put this here. Get the charging cable. And there we have it. The RealMe 2 Pro unboxed. So that's all for today. If you want to know more about this phone, check out our website. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you guys soon.